heute bekannt gegeben. Sie begründete diese Absage mit der
So guys, look,
Corona-Pandemie.
today I'll show you that how you're going to repair the oxygen sensor heater circuit. As you can see, the engine lights on. And let me start the engine first, then I'll show you. The engine is running now. The check engine lights on, stay on. Then I'm going to check the system first, then I'll show you that how you can do it. I will have to choose my vehicle first, then vehicle identification number identified, then Opel. Here we go. No? As you hear, that the engine is still running, you know, and the check engine light stay on. And let me check that what he says. And this is my car here. Go ahead. So, diagnose and failure code and engine, huh? So, I got a failure code P0141, oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, and failure code P0036, lambda, oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, still there. The heater circuit. Okay. Alright, so the engine is still running, yeah? Okay, let me turn the engine off and we will see what we can do. As you know that any mechanic knows that there is a top, there is an oxygen sensor before catalysator. The first one, the upper stream one, right here. The upper stream is here. Oxygen sensor, one on the top. It's before cat, huh? And the other one is the downstream oxygen sensor. You don't find on the back of the catalysator. So here I gotta have the oxygen sensor. The second one, you know, in the catalysator, the upper stream is up there, and the downstream oxygen sensor, the second one is right here. So let me going to check this one first. $22. Oh, it's not easy. And let me check with the. Sometimes you need to have an oxygen sensor. Special tools, you know. That's it. Let me show you clearly. Then I put the light on it. I think you can see it clearly now. So extension. Where's the extension one? Here I can turn it right. So that's right. It's not easy sometimes, you know. Come on. Shit. Sour doesn't it, huh? The cable is not, looks not bad. And the terminal up there. It's still good. Terminal, the cable is running good. So let me check that. Sensor. Let me try to mix this one, the other one, the new one. So mix a little bit in the plane. And let me see how it looks like, huh? If that's a heater circuit, the main problem is always the oxygen sensor. And sometimes it's a wiring system. But it's easy to fix, you know. Always replace the oxygen sensor with the same one, huh? Okay. And let me check. Let me delete. As you can see, if I turn off, then the check engine light goes off. As you can see, then I just delete. And let me check. And then I'm going It seems the system looks good. Okay, let me start the engine. As you can see, the lights go off. The lights go off. Let me try. It goes off. And let me call again if there is a trouble coding and the system says okay. It looks great now. And this is what the problem is, you know. And this is how you fix oxygen sensor P0036, you know, oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2 heater circuit is not working properly. This is how you fix it. Thank you for watching for me my video, and subscribe that if you want it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. Let me see the parameter. It's better that you're looking at the parameter sometime, you know. And here's the parameter, you know. An engine, and I'm going to call an oxygen sensor, upstream oxygen sensor and downstream oxygen sensor. He's going to ask me that is there an automatic transmission in it? No, it's a manual transmission, 5-speed manual transmission. It's going to upload the parameters. So here we go. An oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 1. And oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2. Here we go. Here we got RPM 725. And the battery voltage is really good, and the clutch pedal is not active now, huh? And you gotta have the engine RPM 725, something like that. It's okay. And here is the most important thing. You see, active, inactive. It fluctuates. The first one. It's really a good oxygen sensor, you know. It fluctuates down to 0 and 9 volts between. On the second one is inactive and active, inactive and active. But because the feedback sensor, we should have to wait some time until the engine gets its own preset temperature, you know. It looks good. It looks pretty good, as you can see. No trapped codes, no nothing. All right. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Look how it look great to test. So,